the grid runs on someone else's bug. The US Cyber Defense Agency, CISA, put out a wave of advisories this window about the control systems behind our power, water, and factories. One caught my eye. It covered a product from Hitachi Energy that helps monitor the health of grid equipment. And the details that stopped me was this. The dangerous flaws in it were not bugs Hitachi wrote. They lived deep inside Linux, the free operating system running underneath an enormous share of the modern world. The grid product inherited them just by being built on that foundation. Industrial hacking is nothing like the movies. On screen, someone types fast and a city explodes in sparks. In reality, the attacker reaches one exposed control device or slips from the ordinary office network into the operational network that runs the physical machinery. Now, the target is not your data. It is a breaker, a valve, or a turbine. The consequence stops being an outage and becomes a safety event. Something in the physical world moving when it should not. And the reason this is so hard to fix is dumber and worse than any clever exploit. Control server from a decade ago is still on the network because switching it off means switching off the electricity. You cannot easily patch the machine currently keeping a hospital's lights on. The real vulnerability is not the bug. It is that we cannot afford the downtime to fix the bug, which is Chernobyl in a sentence. What made the disaster so haunting was not a dramatic blast at the start. It was the slowness. A system ran with a flaw baked into its design, a flaw the operators could not simply pause and repair, because you could not safely shut the reactor down on demand. Invisible right up until it was catastrophic. Our critical infrastructure has the exact shape, full of systems that are dangerous to leave running and impossible to stop. The red pill here: we build the most important machines in our world on foundations we do not own and cannot switch off.
This is Bytes, Borders, and Breaches!
The signal is loud, the lesson it teaches, infallible security standards.